Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, steaming hot, fresh from the cooker, we're going to do a very simple Indian style goat and potato curry. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. The amounts of everything I'm going to add in the text below. So we've got some potatoes here, peeled, washed. Here I've got the goat. Now the goat I've got goat ribs, so I've just chopped them up. You can use any part of goat meat that you want. Tomato, cilantro or coriander, onion, garlic, ginger paste, fresh chili, and then here I always call this the big four. So we've got equal parts here, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin and coriander. If you want, you could be using a curry powder mix you already have. In there I've got some dried chili and I've got some cumin seeds. We're going to start this off with some oil. And we're going to add some salt. So here we are, got my wok here, got some oil in there. You can use any oil you want. I'm using the sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in our whole seeds, those being today cumin seeds and those dried red chilies. They need to just do their thing in that oil just for a few seconds. And then what we're going to do, we're going to start off by dropping in our meat, and we're going to go just frying the meat for about 6 minutes. In it goes. So that's been going about 5 or 6 minutes. We're now going to drop in our onion. I'm going to add some salt at this stage. I'm going to go for about another 4 minutes. We're on a kind of fairly lively, above medium heat, as you can hear. So we're now going to add our garlic and ginger paste, which is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to get our potatoes in. I'm going to add my fresh chili now. Like I say, up to you how much you put in. And we're going to go for another 5 or 6 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then. Okay, so potatoes are still really quite hard. We're now going to drop in that tomato. We're going to add our spices. Let's just take one more look at them. Equal parts, a teaspoon each of chili, cumin, turmeric and coriander. If you want, use your favourite curry powder that you have. Just going to give this a little mix. And always try and use a nice ripe tomato when you're doing this, because you want that tomato to break down. Going to grab some water. In that goes. Is that a pint? Maybe a pint of water. Lid's going to go on. We're going to stay on a medium heat, and we're going to go for about 20 to 30 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, just got the lid off, obviously. That is looking fabulous. Just going to add a little bit more water. It's just drying out a little bit, so a bit more water in. Lower the heat to a simmer. Let it go for about 10 minutes. Those potatoes are already nearly cooked. If they start to break down, I'm really happy. You can leave it alone now. Okay, off goes the heat, off comes the lid. Let some steam out there for you. And that is looking fantastic. I really like the look of that. Gonna finish this off, which I didn't show you earlier, but a little bit of garam masala powder. Nice finishing powder. We're gonna add that cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. Check that for salt. You might want to add some more. Give that a stir. Get some rice ready, and you've got yourself a really nice goat and potato curry, Indian style. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please leave us a comment. We always like to hear from you. Lots of love.